Hi! In front of me is VIVO X90 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features available on this device. You need to start by accessing your device's keyboard. Following that, select this gear icon located at the top next to three dots. Now click on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are located over here. If you want to switch on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!